How to smile when you think you have bad teeth. Having crooked teeth or feeling less than confident about your smile can put a damper on things when you'd otherwise be grinning. It's hard to break into an unself-conscious smile when you're worried people will stare at your teeth. Finding your best looking smile and giving it some practice can really help. If all else fails, there are things you can do to improve your teeth and brighten your smile. See Step 1 to learn more about rocking the smile you've got. Method 1: Finding your best smile. 1. Figure out how wide to open your mouth. There are all types of smiles: wide, toothy grins that show all of your teeth, more subtle smiles that put just the top row of teeth on display, mostly closed, mouth smiles that reveal just a glimmer of white, and completely closed smiles that show no teeth at all. By choosing how wide to open your mouth, you can control how the world sees your teeth. Practice different degrees of openness to see which smile looks best on you. It's your smile, and there are no rules about how it should look. That said, try to get comfortable revealing at least a glimpse of your teeth when you smile, because it's very hard to keep your mouth closed when you smile out of happiness. Aim to smile in a way that helps you look your best while also creating a natural-looking expression of cheer. Keep in mind that a smile is often the first impression we have of other people. Think about meeting someone for the first time. What impression would you get if they seemed to be making an effort to keep their mouth closed instead of breaking into a full smile? It's better to reveal some teeth and have your smile look natural than to close your mouth and look as though you are hiding something. Projecting confidence is more important than projecting perfection, so open up. 2. Think about what your eyes are doing. Perhaps you've heard of smizing, the act of smiling with your eyes, not just your mouth. Engaging your eyes as part of your smile automatically helps it read as more authentic and pleasant. For those who are worried about how their teeth look, smiling with the eyes can draw attention to the top of the face and away from the mouth. Smiling with your eyes, also called a Duchenne smile, enables you to have a bright, happy smile without needing to open your mouth wide. Try it in the mirror. First, smile without using your eyes. Do you see the jack-o'-lantern effect? The smile doesn't look happy, it looks a little scary and fake. Now try smiling with your whole face, especially your eyes. This type of smile looks like a true expression of happiness. Practice squinting your eyes a bit more when you smile, to engage the top of your face. See how it balances out your mouth and enables you to close your mouth more and still achieve a happy smile. A Duchenne smile is very difficult to fake. It happens naturally when you truly have a reason to smile. The best way to create one when you're with other people is to actually feel happy. 3. Distract the eye with other aspects of your appearance. Another way to draw attention away from your mouth is to create other points of interest on your face and body. Your hair, accessories, and clothes can all be used to draw the eye to some of your best features. Try doing something different with your hair, like curling it or getting an interesting new cut. Wear pretty earrings, a hat, or another attention-grabbing accessory. Wear sharp clothing that reflects your unique style. People won't be thinking about your teeth if you're rocking an amazing dress or leather coat. 4. Find your best angle. When you're posing for pictures, it can help to know which angle makes your face look its best. Angling your face instead of looking at the camera head-on creates depth and helps bring out the contours of your smile in a more flattering way. Look in the mirror or take a few selfies and figure out what pose looks the most like you. When it comes time to pose for a picture, try to turn so that your best side faces the camera. However, don't contort yourself trying to get in a certain position, that will defeat the purpose. 5. Practice your smile. Like anything else in life, smiling comes more easily with a lot of practice. Try smiling in the mirror in the morning before you leave to go about your day. Practice smiling with your mouth open just so, and remember to engage your eyes. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel to smile at people or for pictures. Method 2: Changing your teeth. 1. Have good dental hygiene. You'll definitely feel more confident about your smile if your teeth are clean and presentable. Take the time to brush them every morning and night. Floss once a day as well, it makes a big difference. Go to the dentist every 6 months to get professional cleanings and reduce plaque and tartar, too. Taking good care of your teeth will show in your smile. If you're about to be in a photograph or meet a new person, brush your teeth directly beforehand. You'll be more likely to flash a confident smile. Mouthwash is another great way to freshen your teeth. Carry a small bottle with you to give your teeth a quick rinse when you need a confidence boost throughout the day. 2. Whiten them a few shades. If the problem is that your teeth are a little yellow or grayish, why not whiten them a bit so you'll feel more confident? There are dozens of methods for whitening your teeth, from expensive whitening treatments to DIY home treatments. To whiten your teeth quickly, here are a few things to try. Whitening strips. These are a little on the expensive side, but they really work. You can find them at the drugstore. Hydrogen peroxide. This is a quick, cheap home remedy that whitens your teeth a few shades. Just mix hydrogen peroxide with water, then use it to rinse your teeth. Brush with baking soda. Make a paste with baking soda and water and use it to brush your teeth. It will lift off stains in a jiffy. Don't do this too often, though, because it can wear away your tooth enamel. 3. Consider getting braces. If you're hesitant to smile and it's really starting to affect your confidence and happiness, you might want to look into getting your teeth straightened. Make an appointment with an orthodontist and discuss your options. A set of braces or a retainer might be what it takes to straighten your teeth. The simplest wire braces are usually the least expensive, but they're more noticeable than more expensive options. Many orthodontists offer payment plans to help you afford braces if you can't pay everything at once. 4. Look into veneers. These are porcelain teeth affixed to your real teeth. They can be remarkably realistic and almost impossible to detect. A small amount of your tooth enamel is removed, a mold of your tooth is taken, and a veneer is made to fit perfectly over the old tooth. If your teeth are discolored, cracked, broken, or misshapen, this could be a good option for you. 5. See how far you want to go. If the problem is not so much with individual teeth, but with the structure of your jaw, there are surgical options you can pursue to correct the problem. Schedule a meeting with an oral surgeon to find out what makes the most sense for your situation. Getting oral surgery to correct your teeth can be expensive, time-consuming, and painful, but the drawbacks might be worth the reward of getting a set of teeth that makes you feel happy to smile. Method 3: Gaining confidence. 1. Wear it like a fashion statement. Is it possible your smile actually adds something special to your look? Everyone can pay to get straight white teeth, but that would get a little boring. Try to embrace your smile as a unique part of yourself that you're proud to show off. Got a gap in your teeth? A snaggle tooth? Are your teeth crooked? Try owning it instead of being embarrassed. Think like Anna Paquin, Jewel Kilcher, and Hugh Grant, celebrities who have capitalized on their adorably quirky smiles, embracing what makes them unique. 2. Try to forget what you look like. This isn't easy to do, but try to stop thinking about what you look like when you smile. If you're worried about your teeth, it's going to show in your expression, and your smile will look unnatural and won't have a positive effect. Instead of thinking about how you look when you smile, focus on what you're smiling about. Meeting someone new? Think about how excited you are to get to know someone who could become a great friend or business colleague. Did someone make you laugh? Let yourself heartily enjoy the joke, instead of catching yourself before you smile too big. 3. Smile joyfully. Do your best not to let your negative feelings about your smile impact how you express joy. When you smile happily, the positive vibes of your attitude can totally outweigh your looks. Giving a half smile or looking solemn a lot will actually draw more attention to what you're trying to hide. You can take steps to feel more confident about your smile, like whitening your teeth and figuring out your best angle, but ultimately, letting yourself express uninhibited joy is the best way to have an infectious smile. Tips: brush your teeth twice a day. You can use whitening strips. Use dental floss. Have your teeth whitened. Warnings. You have to remember that a person's teeth are just a small fraction of what they look like. If your teeth are horrible, you can still be hot. Look at James Blunt. Don't let a trivial thing ruin anything, even your smile. You are beautiful, no matter what anyone says or thinks. You are who you are, and you should smile all the time, despite what anyone thinks of you.